Yes. The diagram below shows the effect of heat on hydrated copper-2 sulfate. Then we are given the questions here. State and explain the observations made on boiling tube G. Now, let us first of all study the diagram. Let us study the diagram. This is very simple. Just open your eyes and concentrate. Concentrate. So here we have the boiling tube. You can see it here. It is boiling tube G. We have the hydrated copper-2 sulfate. Hydrated copper-2 sulfate. And then we have the boiling tube H. Then we have substance F here. And ice plus water plus salt mixture. Now, first of all, class, what is the color of hydrated copper-2 sulfate? Yes? Before heating. Before heating. Yeah, what is the color? Blue. Yeah, it is blue in color. So this is blue in color, actually blue in color. And what about anhydrous? Anhydrous copper-2 sulfate. Yeah, which color? Yes? White. Yeah, it is white or grayish. Yeah, it is usually white or grayish color. Now, state and explain the observations made on boiling tube G. What happens here? Yeah, we need you state, then you do what? You explain for you to score the two marks. So, yeah, who can give us the answer? Yeah, the observation. Assume you have done this in your laboratory. So what do you observe, or what did you observe after heating hydrated copper-2 sulfate? Yeah, we have seen it is usually blue in color. Very simple. So, yes, it turned white. Yeah, it turned white after heating. So we can write, let us write, hydrated copper-2 sulfate turned hydrated copper-2 sulfate turned color. Turned to which color? It was blue. Turned from blue color to white color. This is what you saw. It is observation. What did you see? So it turned the color. After heating, it turned the color to white or grayish. Yeah, you can indicate there after heating. Full stop. You can also say water vapor or vapor was emitted, but no problem. Now, we have been told to state and explain. Let us explain. Explanation. Explanation. What can we say? Yeah, explanation. On heating hydrated copper-2 sulfate, we can say on heating, let me write in brief, on heating hydrated copper-2 sulfate, let me write Kcse, copper-2 sulfate, the water crystals, which were here, that's why it was hydrated. There's water crystals here. So the water crystallization, we can say on heating hydrated copper-2 sulfate, the water crystallization is lost. It lost. Yeah, it is lost. So it loses the water crystals here. It's lost. And what remains is an entrance and a white anhydrous copper 2 sulfate is formed. Period. That is it. Now, tell me, identify substance F. What is F here? After the water crystallization, after the water vapor moved, it entered here where we have ice plus water plus salt mixture. This one here. Again, I will ask you why we are using ice here. What is the purpose of ice plus water? And then it means something was formed here because of the water vapor. So it condensed. So what do you think substance F is? Yeah, it is simply water. It is simply water. So this is 1 mark. You write there water, or you can call it distillate or condensed vapor. You can call it distillate. Distillate. Let us continue on the same. Now, explain the use of Roman 1, ice cold water. 2, salt in ice cold water. That this is 1 mark. And boiling tube G is kept slanting. Let us start with this. Ice cold water. So what do you think is the purpose or the reason for using ice cold water? Ice plus water and salt mixture. Ice cold water. Yeah, what was the reason? Yes. Yeah, thank you. To allow, you have said to allow condensation of the water vapor. Good. Let us write to allow condensation of water vapor from the condensation of water vapor to the water itself, to liquid, or to form water, to form liquid or distillate. That was the purpose, for just cooling, condensing. Remember, matter that is gaseous form. Gases can be condensed to form liquid. So the reason why they used ice water is to allow the water vapor to cool down, to condense. Then we have salt in ice cold water. Yeah, the reason why they used salt in ice cold water. What was the reason? Yes. Yeah. Oh, what about?